Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sitting in the middle of the mess and going through my art. This week I scanned a lot of my paintings and drawings, which was on A4 and A3 sizes, and now I'm really working on collecting all these, have it together and make some portfolio. And also I was thinking about to put everything for a sale, because I need a space, and this takes a lot of space, especially canvas paintings. And I have a lot of it, really old ones, which I don't know if somebody wants to buy. These are very old, and I think that the quality of the painting, the technique is not really like showing what how I work recently. And I find some good papers for drawing on. Don't throw away leftover paints, just put it on a paper as me. Like here you can see, like, making so nice texture. For example, this one. This is already really nice. Like it can be a painting. The texture of the watercolor is really nice. Light is not good. It's rainy today, and but I do not want to postpone any of my videos or making videos because of the weather. There will be a lot of rainy days coming here in Prague, and I really want to keep this channel alive. And lately I was really focusing on my study and different things, and that's what I want to just came back and just showing you some good stuff and tips, what I learned. And yeah. Oh, and I also find some older works, and that inspired me just to think about to working on my still life. As I was going through my old paintings, I really enjoyed looking at my still lifes, and I think that I was on a good track to develop my own style, develop how I can just show you from a different perspective everyday items or items from the past. And this was so much fun to make. So enough talking, and now just from now silent video, and I want to paint with you, or you can watch me paint, and you can paint also. I'm so happy when you writing me that, oh, I watched your video and I started to painting, and these are my favorite messages from you. Every message I like, but when I inspired you to create, then that's what why I created this channel. Okay, so happy painting, creating, drawing, and see you in the next video.